Sige po. Actually, dito na ako lumaki at tumanda sa Marikina. At ito, personal, ito, kumpare ko to si Del eh. May personal knowledge ito si Del de Guzman na in the year 1992, pinanganak ka na ba nun?
Yes, sir.
So, marami pa siguro hindi pa pinapanganak. In the year 1992, ako ilinapitan na ni Del de Guzman para tumakbo na congressman sa Lone District of Marikina. So, ilan na years, 33 years ago, sa mata at least ni kumparing Del de Guzman at ni Mayor BF noon na ako'y qualified na tumakbo for congressman ng Marikina. So, ano lang kasi ako I'm just a low-key person, kaya hindi naman lahat ng kilos ko ina-announce ko, pero the people who really know me know that I am from Marikina. I'm a Mariqueño.
Kasi yung second part lang po ng question ko, what do you bring to the role given your position in national politics? How does that help your
Tama naman
candidacy?
because I'm running for Congress, which is a national position or a national office. The election is local, but the nature of the office, it's a national office. So, senador na po ako for 13 years. So, pagdating sa national issues, I have been exposed to national issues and including international issues. So yung isang mata ko, kung ako'y magiging congressman, isang mata ko nasa national and international issues. And ang kinaganda lang ng posisyon ng member of Congress, kaya masaya siya. Yung isang mata mo sa local naman. Nakatingin naman sa local issues and personal and family, personal issues kasama na doon. So, dadalhin ko siguro yung aking knowledge na sa international and national, plus yung experience ko sa lawmaking, and then yung problem-solving skills natin. Kasi matagal na rin. Being a senator, parati ka naman natitest eh. That you really have to be able to make hard and difficult decisions. You should be willing to make hard decisions, hindi yung tatakbo-takbo ka sa mga problema kasi kailangan you have to be able to make decisions.